My name is Robin Arundale. I'm the coordinator for the Wolds barn owl group. We work on the conservation of the barn owl broadly across East Yorkshire and the Wolds, conserving this iconic bird which is in great danger from lack of food, lack of habitat, lack of nest sites. We've discovered that 75% of barn owls now nest in the sort of nest boxes which we provide. The barn owl is a bird which evolved in the tropics and the subtropics, and here in Yorkshire and the UK as a whole is right at the northern end of its range, and it fares very, very badly in poor weather, which is why you often see them out during the daytime. So we spend time, where appropriate, erecting nest boxes, working closely with farmers to improve barn owl habitat and site boxes on their land. And in season we monitor them by weighing them, ringing them to see how far they disperse, how long they live, and hopefully when we recover these birds alive by retrapping them, we can determine how successful they've been and what their needs are.